Hi, everybody. Welcome back to HPTV. I am your host, Barbara, and today I want to take you into the wonderful world of human design. And I want to start specifically by talking about energy types, because the starting point in human design is your energy type. We were all built to function differently, with different skills, but also with different ways that our energy works. And when we align with that, rather than do the things the way the world tells us we need to do things, we create success and happiness with so much more ease. And it's also more enjoyable because it's the way that our souls actually crave doing life. Your energy type tells you how you are built to operate, and it's arguably the most important aspect of your design. So that is why today I want to start with the generator energy type. And a generator's purpose is to create good energy into the world. So, like the name probably suggests, you are here to generate energy. Whenever you do something that makes you happy or excited or that lights you up, you create so much good energy that it literally spills out of you into everyone around you. Being lit up is your highest calling because when you are happy and excited, it inspires, it fuels, and it lifts everyone else around you up without you even trying. How cool is that? When you are excited, you become full of life. And it's this energy that is what you want to tap into. But this energy also cannot help but spill out of you into everything and everyone that you come across. This is the magic of a generator. When a generator is lit up, they have such juicy, sparkly energy that everyone wants to be around you, even if they cannot explain why. When you are following your desires, you feel like you could go on and on all day without feeling tired because you're generating this good energy. This is the universe telling you you're in your flow. And because of this, when a generator does what they love, everybody wins. If you want to live your purpose, then you need to do things, more things that actually excite you. If you want to help others, then know that the universe has given you specific passions that you are meant to follow in order to live as your highest version. The things that light you up aren't random. They are specifically exciting to you because you are meant to be doing them. Your lit upness makes other people more energized, more excited, more productive, and it gives them momentum in their own life. And no matter what job title you may have on the outside, the real value that you are providing is that you're infusing the world with life force. You should also be doing less things that do not light you up. When you're doing something that you're not so jazzed about, you will feel drained and tired. This is life's way of trying to prevent you from doing more of it and to show you that it's not what you are meant to be spending your time on. The biggest conditioning for generators is the praise that you get from others for doing things that you don't want to be doing. Maybe because it benefits them in some way. For example, your parents probably said, "Well done for going to see your grandma when you didn't really want to as a child." Or your friend relies on your generator energy to help them move home or make a group of people gel together. However, this only backfires because when you are not excited, you don't create that juicy, sparkly energy, which is what they actually really want. Sure, You can go through the motions of helping them move, but it won't have elevated the energy of the situation for either one of you. And if you're not excited to do it, it suggests that the universe has a better option for the other person too. So, one of the most important things for generators is to learn to say no. And also that no is a complete sentence. When you trust that your excitement is divine guidance, it's actually the best thing you can do for everyone involved. When you say no, maybe the other person is meant to find a better person to help them with that, or figure it out themselves and realize they're more capable than they thought, or maybe come up with a more creative solution, or be forced to do things in a new way that actually benefits them more. You never know just how you're helping the situation by saying no, but your excitement, or lack thereof, will always be leading you to the best outcome. So, when you want to bring more good things into your life, sometimes the most powerful thing a generator can do is to say no more often. Saying no clears things off your plate that do not light you up, which creates space in your life for the universe to start sending you more of what does. The universe loves an empty space because you're sending the signal that you want better, and it will rush to come and help you fill it. If you are saying yes to everything, there is no space for the things that you truly desire to come into your life. Whenever you're in a place where you want to make changes, you don't have to figure out what new things to do, so much as stop keeping yourself busy with the things that do not make you happy. So in comes the fear of doing nothing. I see this a lot with my generator clients. And the reason why generators are afraid to start saying no is because of that praise for all the doing they got over the course of their lives. And they're afraid that if they're less busy rushing around even for a hot second, then good things won't come to them. Life wants to see if you're brave enough to go against those false beliefs and be open to working with your joy and not against it. After removing the no's, you might be less occupied. But trust me, it will only be temporary. Use that open space to look around you. Life is happening all around you, and it is full of things that might please and delight you. You couldn't see those when you were busying yourself with things that you thought you had to do. But now that you've opened yourself up to see things that the universe has been trying to get you to see all along, you will start seeing them. So, how do you know if something excites you? This is an excellent question. So, excitement and desire come from your gut, your gut feeling, your intuition, which is the most important part of a generator's chart. It's the body part that rules your energy. When something comes your way that's exciting to you, whether that's a meal, a job, or a lover, your energy perks up and it expands, meaning you can literally feel it in your gut, in your body, and people around you pick up on that, whether they know it consciously or not. And it makes them want to be around you, work with you, buy whatever you're selling, or just hug you. And this in turn kicks off a chain of opportunities and synchronicities between you and the world. So you don't actually have to figure out what to do in advance. You just have to activate the process by saying yes to the things that excite you, the things that light you up from the inside. And life is constantly sending you things that you might like and want. It is your job to notice that involuntary excitement response within yourself and to then reach out and take it. Whether that's do it, create it, eat it, use it, play with it, buy it, whatever it is. Excitement is always about the action, not about the end result. So make sure that you do something because it genuinely excites you, rather than doing it because you think it's the only way to get you the end result that you desire. If you suppress your own happiness because you think you have to in order to get to a certain goal, it will never end well. Because the truth is, it is not your job to think about the end results. It's not your job to think about the end goal. If you pave the way there with what makes you happy and excited, you'll create the best possible outcome, even if you have no idea what that outcome is. So ultimately, the things you love to do are the very things that will lead you to your dream life. And the only thing that you need to do as a generator is to trust in that. And I know it sounds really simple, and it is simple, but yet it's still very hard to do. A lot of us struggle with this, and this is because of beliefs and autopilot programs. And if you are stuck in this, or if you are a generator that wants to learn to harness their energy so that you have better results in life, then reach out to me. There are two ways of exploring this, if this resonated with you, if it called out to you. The first way is to get your unique BU by Design blueprint. I will make sure that the link is in the description below this video. This is a blueprint that tells you everything about your human design, but also everything about your gene keys. I will go into those in different videos. And it will give you already basic knowledge of about who you are, how you're meant to be operating, how you're meant to make your decisions, what your strategy should be, how you should respond, but also what your purpose is in life. So it's incredibly valuable. And if you already know that you're a generator, but you are just not having the results that you want, then reach out to me to explore if you might want to be working one-on-one with me. I'll make sure that the link to do so will also be included in the show notes below this video. This will be a free clarity call just to talk about what you're struggling with and to see if we are a good match energetically. And it comes with no strings attached. So if at the end of the call you feel like, no, we are not a right fit, or maybe I feel like, no, it's not a right fit, then no harm, no foul. We just had a really wonderful half-hour conversation and we will go our separate ways. But in the event that you feel like, yes, I want to work with you because this is eye-opening and this is brilliant and I want these results for myself, I just need some guidance, then I will explain different ways of working with me, because there are different ways of working with me with different price points, because I like to have something in my services range that fits everybody's wallet. So I hope that I inspired you today with this video about the generator. Maybe you recognized yourself already. Maybe you already know you're a generator. Maybe you want to find out if you're a generator. In any case, I hope that this video was insightful for you. It would be awesome if you could subscribe to the channel, maybe like this video so that it reaches more people, and share it with your target audience or with your following on social media, because you never know who needs to hear this message, and you will be doing both them and me a huge favor by doing so. So for today, I thank you for watching. I thank you for your support, and I look forward to talking about the other energy types in the upcoming videos. For right now, I wish you an amazing rest of your day. Talk soon.